This octopus can transform into other animals, and it's real. Did you know? This is the mimic octopus, one of the most intelligent creatures in the ocean. Unlike regular octopuses, this animal can imitate the shape, color, and even movement of other sea creatures to deceive predators. In a matter of seconds, it can transform to resemble a sea snake or a flatfish. This extraordinary ability has earned the mimic octopus the title of one of the best mimics in the world. Nature indeed always has amazing ways to survive.